Good morning. This is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. It's Monday morning, June 27th. There we go, June 27th. Almost the 4th of July. Um, what we have here is the market is still trading to the downside. We have nothing that suggests the market is ready to turn. Oh, by the way, we're going to be looking at four charts here: SPY, DZZ, TVIX, and FAZ, providing we have time with the video. The SPY is still headed to the downside. It's it closed Friday on the 200-day moving average and very near a double bottom. That's about as positive as it can get. What it does need is some price action to grab hold at this level and start pushing us up. Even then, I would suspect it would be a short-lived rally. Any rallies that we see at this point, I will treat as short-lived rallies, just little breathers. We always say nothing goes up forever. The same can be said for something going down. Nothing goes down forever without a little bit of a little rally to the upside. If you're short, I would continue to stay short on the strong ones. If you're long, and if you are winning on the long ones, be careful with them. Don't be afraid to take profits early. Again, the market still appears to be headed to the downside. Let's take a look at DZZ. Oops. Try that again. Well, there we go. DZZ, double gold short. Nice move to the downside. This is getting a little pop. You can see that it's actually popped before. A little pop, little pop, little pop, pop, pop. Tried. And this time we put in a little doji hammer, gap up, popped up. Well, now we're sitting above the 34 and the 50-day moving average. That holds some promise right there. We see any strength on this, I would look at selling this to the long side, trading it up. 200-day is would be a good target to the upside. Little targets, we can come in and find these resistant levels that it may want to lean on. And so you see a resistant level, and then our target. We'll shoot for that. If you haven't noticed, the inverse are trading very well right now. Market pushing down allows the inverse to really rally to the upside. DZZ is one of these. Another one is TVIX. This is another inverse ETF long trade. We've started to put in a little rounded bottom right here. Popped up nicely, pulled back for consolidation, still doing a little consolidation, but closed up over the T-line and the 34 exponential moving average. Any kind of strength today, something coming over this trend line here, I would look at being long on this. I would look at that as being my stop and then reevaluate it at the end of the day. That's TVIX. FAZ is another one. You know what? We might have a time for one more I'm going to throw up there. FAZ has been in a nice trend. Kind of failed the 200-day moving average and then pulled back. Jumped up for another test of it. Closed over the 200. Now we're looking at this breakout of this trend line right here. One last one is ZSL. I am long ZSL, got long Friday. ZSL broke out of these recent highs. We're now looking at targets up into this area, maybe up into here. Okay, video is running out. I want to say thank you very much. I hope to see everybody in the trading room later.